Tools to edit an image. As you know, there are so many tools in Krita. Let's learn about some of them in detail. Rectangular Selection Tool. Rectangular Selection Tool is used to select a rectangular portion of an image. To use a rectangular selection tool, follow these steps. 1. Open an image in which you want to select the color. 2. Click on the rectangular selection tool. 3. Click on any point of image and drag up to the last point to make a selection. Elliptical Selection Tool. Elliptical Selection Tool is used to select an oval or circular portion of an image. To use the Elliptical Selection Tool, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Elliptical Selection Tool. 2. Click on any point of image and drag the mouse to the opposite direction. Polygonal Selection Tool. Polygonal Selection Tool is used to select a multi-side section of the image. To use the Polygonal Selection Tool, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Polygonal Selection Tool. 2. Now, click on the area where you want to make a selection. 3. Click to draw a line joining the initial point and the new point. Continue clicking on the other portions of the image to continue the selection. To stop further selecting, click again on the starting point or double-click on the last selection point. A closed polygon will be formed, selecting the required portion. Freehand Selection Tool. Freehand Selection Tool is used to select an object or section of an image by drawing a freehand border around it. To create a freehand selection, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Freehand Selection Tool. 2. Drag to draw a freehand shape around the object to be selected. Contiguous Selection Tool. Contiguous Selection Tool is used to detect the edges of the image automatically on the basis of the color codes and do the selection quickly using the round brush tip. To make a contiguous selection, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Contiguous Selection Tool. 2. Click on the section to be selected. A freehand shape selection will appear around the section you clicked. Similar Color Selection Tool. Similar Color Selection Tool is used to select the areas with similar color in an image. To use this tool, follow these steps. 1. Open an image in which you want to select the color. 2. Click on the Similar Color Selection Tool. 3. Click on a particular color in the image. The color gets selected. Crop Tool. Crop Tool is used to remove unwanted portion of an image. To use the Crop Tool, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Crop Tool. 2. Drag to select the portion of the image that is to be kept. 3. Press the Enter key or double-click on the highlighted portion of the image. The portion of the image not selected with the Crop Tool gets deleted from the image. SVG Text Tool. SVG Text Tool is used to type text on the image or the blank workspace. The important options shown in the Tool Options docker for SVG Text Tool are Font Family. This drop-down list is used to select the face of the font. For example, Arial, Impact, Times New Roman, Segoe UI, etc. Font Size. This drop-down list is used to select the size of the font. Font Anchoring. These buttons are used to anchor or align the text to the left margin, right margin, or to the center of the canvas. Letter Spacing. This combo box is used to change the space between the letters of a character by entering the space size or increasing and decreasing using the arrow buttons. Font Family, Font Size, Font Anchoring, Letter Spacing. To use the SVG Text Tool. 1. Click on the Text tool. 2. Click on the area where you want to write the text and type the text. Smart Patch Tool. The Smart Patch tool is used to remove dark spots, scratches, and other unwanted parts from an image. To use Smart Patch tool, follow these steps. 1. Open the image you want to retouch. 2. Click on the Smart Patch tool. 3. Click and drag the object you want to remove from the image. The required object or spot or scratch will be removed from the image. Clone tool. The clone tool is used to duplicate a part of an image. It involves setting the sampling point to be cloned in the image. In Krita, the clone tool is not available in the toolbox. It is present as a brush, present in the brush presets docker. To use clone tool, follow these steps. 1. Open the image in which the object is to be cloned. 2. Click on the clone tool in the brush presets docker. 3. Press the Ctrl key from the keyboard and place the circle part of the mouse pointer on the object to be cloned. 4. Place this part of the mouse pointer on the place where the object is to be copied. 5. Click and drag slowly to draw the copied object.